Okay, we finally got my daughter's Mercedes fixed. The AC was not blowing out cold air. This is a 2015 C250. I'm gonna show you the first thing that we did. I tested. I made sure that the fuses was not blown. It's a fuse box right here, and it's easy to take off. But just click this off and the box come off. And I asked the AC repair guy about the magnetic clutch, because I had that problem in my truck, and he said it's not in the fuse box, it's under the fuse box. So I'm not going to go under there. I just tested all the fuses and relays there. But we did get it fixed, and it cost her $1,400. Had to replace the compressor. That compressor down there had to be replaced, and I'm gonna show you what it sounded like before we got this fixed. So if you have this particular sound going on, you probably got a bad compressor. Go ahead and start it up. Okay, the AC off. The AC is on right now, and you're it's off. Okay, the AC is off. You hear that noise? Turn it on. The AC is on and the noise stopped. Turn the AC back off. With the AC off, this is the noise it's making, so we couldn't take it to the mechanic. So after it got fixed, we're gonna start it up, and I'm gonna test the air and see how cool it gets. Oh, it's blowing out cool air now. But I got my little temperature gauge. I'm gonna let it cool off and see what it gets down to with this gauge. The temperature is really cool in this car right now. You see it's at 6 degrees right here when it's coming right out the bin. So I'm gonna check the other side, and it got down to negative like 3 or 4. So the compressor was bad. We got the compressor changed. My daughter is on the road again. All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.